that the next business idea that you can start at university is you can start cleaning people's rooms. Listen, students are lazy. You guys can be a machonis.
Busy running they mouth. I'm a real ass, rich ass bitch from the south. Yeah.
Hey beautiful person watching this video, my name is Baby Sunshine Legodi and welcome to my channel. I really hope you enjoyed here. So today's video, I'll be giving you some ideas, well, business ideas that you can start in varsity just so you can get that extra cash. You know, I'll be giving you tips on how to be an entrepreneur in varsity and you'll get that extra money, you know, that extra money. So yeah guys, if you're really interested in this video, please don't forget to subscribe, comment and like this video and support your girl. But then that's if you would like to support me. But yeah guys, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so my first business idea that you can start at university is you can start your own beauty salon. So basically, if you know how to do braids, box braids, twist, relax someone's hair, or even like wash someone's hair, you can use that as your own advantage and start your own beauty salon at Reds. So I know from my experience, I'm not sure about you guys, but I know the salons around university are so expensive. Oh my gosh, like I remember once when I wanted to relax my hair, it cost $250 just so I can relax with dark and out. I'm like, what? Okay, see, $250 is like a straight up and that's touch my ass. So I'm from the Kasi, by the way, so where to Alex, what do you do, baby? So I know Kukasi is 100 rand to relax with dark and lovely, and obviously you know that dark and lovely is the most expensive one, that's why it's 100 rand. So if your braids and your relaxing is affordable and you know what you're doing and you do a good job doing whatever you're doing, you know, doing your braids, students are gonna run for you, like literally, like you're gonna make a lot of money from doing students' hair, braids and all of that. You're gonna make a lot of money. But I know that doing someone's hair like box braids or twists can take a lot of your time. But if you make a timetable, during the week you only focus on your schoolwork, studying, pushing your schoolwork like hard, and then in the weekend you can do someone's hair, braid, wash their hair and relax it. You can make it work for you, period. So the next thing, business idea that you guys can start at, you know, university is that you can own your own bakery. Not necessarily like own like a bakery, but like you can cook like amakuku, what's this, cupcakes. You can cook cupcakes, you can cook what's this, fat cooks in the morning and just like knock on every single person's door and say, hey, fat cook in the morning, do you want a fat cook, do you want what's this, do you want coffee, do you want tea? You know, you can actually do that just every day in the morning, have, you know, bake, you know, but you have to wake up really early for that. But you know, the hustle is real. The hustle is real in varsity. So if you want to make that money, you gotta sacrifice and wake up in the morning, cook some scones, cook some fed cooks, makwing, and cupcakes, and literally go in every single person's door and be like, hey, do you want this, do you want this, do you want this, do you want this, what do you want, you know? That's also if you don't have morning classes, because that's going to be very difficult if you don't have morning classes. And then also how you can advertise it is you can print like, you know, pamphlets and then like put it in everyone's door, like I don't know when, but like maybe after your classes, like do that, and then they know in the morning they can go to your room and get the fat cooks or get the cupcakes, get the scones, you know, be creative with what you're doing. Hey, so the next thing that the next business idea that you can start at university is you can start cleaning people's rooms. Listen, students are lazy. We are lazy. We're very lazy, guys. Even though my room is like always cleaned, like all the time, but I know a lot of students that never clean their room. Their room just is a disaster. So you can use that to your advantage, and you can start cleaning rooms for people and like make a lot of money from that. And how you can also do that and how to advertise that, you can be like, UCT, let's clean your room. UCT, gang, I'm a queen in the morning. UCT, beauty salon. You know, you can start advertising also on Instagram or like Facebook or stuff like that, so you can get your word there that, hey, you have a business, can you please support me, you know? So you can really do that. Speaking about cleaning and that students are very lazy, you can start cleaning people's sneakers, because guarantee you, students don't clean their sneakers when they should. Like the Air Force Ones, yo, they'll be looking dusty. Especially when you go like to when you go to like Rue, Long Street, the Ban, you know, all those places. Your Air Force Ones look like a disaster. They look black instead of looking white. So you can start cleaning people's sneakers and make that like, yo, that's gonna be a hit. You can really start cleaning people's sneakers, advertise it on Instagram, and start with UCT, let me clean your sneaker. Okay, my names are very whack, but like, you know, you kind of get me. Yeah, you can start cleaning people's sneakers. Because once again, students are very lazy. But really make it an affordable price, because if you make it an affordable price, there's going to be a lot of students coming to you just so they can, you know, get their sneakers cleaned. Okay guys, so the next one, you can be a makeup artist at risk. Like, so basically, if you're really good with makeup and, you know, because yo, when you do your self makeup and when you do like maybe your friends or your family, they look to do, you know, they look the best. You can start making that a business, hey, at risk, because there's going to be times where you're going to go to events, go to your friend's birthday party, and they're like, you know, wait again, you need to be looking at your best and you need to be, you know, slay them. So you can start by being a makeup artist at risk, and obviously take pictures of every single person that you do, and then post them on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter and advertise. Hey guys, I'm a makeup artist at UCT, at UWC, at Stellenbosch. Please support me if you have an event, or if you like at Rezes. I know my Rez, at every end of year they always have an event, so during that time, take that as an advantage, guys. Take that as an advantage, makeup people, but that's only if you know what you're doing, because you don't want people to look like a clown. Please guys, don't make people look like a clown. But if you know what you're doing and you know, like, you can spend a little bit money, like especially buying different types of foundation, like the different shades and different foundation thingies, go ahead, start that, invest in that business. I think it's a really good business. Yeah guys, and you know, become a makeup artist at Red. So guys, the last one that I have for you guys is that you guys can be a machonist. Period. You guys can literally be a machonista, but I know this one is the most expensive one, because to be a machonista you need to have money. Let's start there. You can't be a broke machonista. What are you gonna give to people, you know? So one advice I can give you, you know, during registration, you know, sometimes, especially like first years, you don't know if NSFAS has accepted you, and sometimes I know some people, when they're in matric, like they study hard but they're not sure if they're gonna get into university, then they get in, then they forgot because oh shit, I have to apply for NSFAS, right? So I know during that registration orientation time, NSFAS is open, you know, just for people that are already accepted in university and for first years. So what you can do, if you want to be a matronista, you can use that to your advantage, literally, because if I'm not mistaken, registration fee is 4,800, 5,000, somewhere there. Okay, I'm not sure because yet again, I've never paid for registration because NSFAS does pay for your registration. But yeah, I'm not sure. Ne? But you can literally find those students. Could say, okay, hey, I can give you that 4,000 something rand, and then you are gonna pay me back during the year. Like, I don't know, set at a certain time, because you're gonna pay me back at this certain time, and then you can give them that money for registration so they can, you know, continue furthering their studies and stuff like that. But make it clear, could see you were not donating that money to them. No, make it very, very clear, could see you are mashonisa. Period. You are mashonisa while university. Because at the end of the day, like, we're all students and we all don't want to go to the bank, and then next thing we can't afford that 4,000 that we applied for, you know, that loan that we applied for a bank, and then next thing you're students and already you're blacklisted. So you can just go to the Mashonisa address or wherever on campus, and then they can give you their money and stuff like that, and you can pay them back like every month, like, you know, maybe 500 every month until you finish your skoloto. Or yeah guys, that's really a really good business idea. Like, if I had like a lot of cash, I'll be giving out registration fees, yes, you know, but later on though, you don't pay me back. And then if they don't pay you back, you can take them to small claims court, and then so they can give you back your money, because you must be shocked, because you're serious, because you must give me back my money. So yeah guys, I think that's the end of it. I do have more business ideas, so definitely I'm gonna make a part 2 of this video. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hey, like, I really enjoyed this video. Please comment other business ideas that you have down in this description box. Let's help these people. Let's help us students make money for university. Hey, let's really help us make money and get, you know, a bit of cash so we can go buy our parents nice things for December and whatever you want to buy with your money. Yeah guys, so please comment what other business ideas you guys have to start at varsity or whenever, because some of these business ideas, if you're really good with them, you can take them, like, you can still continue with them after your degree. Probably now you have to, like, it's probably going to be expensive, because now you probably have to rent like a place to do that certain business, but at least you have, you know, clients. At least right now you have clients, and you know, you can start from there. So yeah guys, I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. That's only if you want to, and if you want to support me as your baby girl, period. So yeah guys, I really enjoyed this video. For me, Baby Sunshine Legodi. Bye.